Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now? Prepare your phone and PC. Make sure your phone has at least 30% battery and power saving is off, because audio apps need steady resources. Install the Companion app or enable USB audio/USB tethering on your phone and connect via a good USB cable. Wi-Fi can work but is less stable. Once connected, grant any microphone and USB permissions on the phone. This gets your devices visible to each other, so the PC can accept the phone as an input source. Once done with the physical link, switch to software configuration. On Windows, open Sound Settings and choose your phone or the virtual driver as the input device. On Mac OS, use System Preferences Sound. If the Companion app requires a virtual audio driver or a CO/loopback, install and enable it, then restart the app. Make sure sample rate is set to 44, 1 or 48 kHz and set input gain to avoid clipping. Lower the gain if you hear distortion. This ensures clean, latency-minimized audio on the PC. You're almost done. Verify the setup by recording a short clip or joining a test call and watch levels on the PC. Use headphones to avoid feedback and tweak latency or buffer settings in the Companion app if you hear dropouts. If audio is low or missing, restart both devices and reopen the app. Confirm microphone and USB permissions, and try a different USB cable or switch Wi-Fi bands. One key tip: if latency persists, prefer USB wired connection. It's more reliable than wireless for live use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.